Yung take ko about Katniel, I think kung ano man yung totoong sitwasyon, ang daming factors bakit nahihirapan silang magkwento or magsalita. Una na dyan, syempre private lives ito eh. Although nasa show business sila, sa panahon ng social media at saka ng AI, everyone could just fabricate kung ano yung sitwasyon. But the thing is, wala tayong direct confirmation. So if they don't confirm, deny, diba? So wala tayong direct confirmation, wala rin tayong direct denial from them. And so, mahirap talagang i-assess. Pero alam mo, napakadami talaga nung nagmamahal kay Katniel eh. And maraming nasasaktan sa proseso. I think, isa yan sa mga reasons bakit hindi rin sila nagsasabi pa or nagsasalita pa. Although kung may third party, we really don't know. Mahirap magsalita dahil, again, hindi natin alam what if matagal na pala silang hiwalay at saka lang pumasok si Andrea, di ba? Or possible din nga na talaga bang homewrecker si Andrea Brillantes. Hindi natin alam. Bakit hindi rin sila nagsasalita apart from their fans? Siyempre may mga kontrata na kailangan nating i-consider na kapag na-break yung contract na yon, they could end up having mga legal issues na we don't want. It will just worsen their situation. That's why it's not that easy. Ako ang take ko dahil halos lahat tayo guilty na nakikisaw-saw tayo din sa sitwasyon at parang gustong-gusto nating umamin na yung dalawa, di ba? O kaya naman ay i-confirm na si Andrea na. Ang take ko dyan is, let's wait for them to really speak up. Let's not force them. Kasi ang dami nang nagsasalita sa paligid eh. Wala talagang direct na taong nagsasabi na this is the real thing. The point is, tao sila katulad natin. Imagine nyo kung tayo yung nasa sitwasyon nila, how would you feel? Yes, possibly na responsibility nila yon na i-inform tayo dahil sila ay public figures. But then again, tao pa din sila. Merong faces that we all have to respect. And with that, I hope na hintayin natin yung tamang panahon. And most importantly, sana i-wish natin yung mas maganda rather than yung paghihiwalay nilang dalawa. Kasi that for me is the genuineness of everybody wishing someone a better position to be in rather than being in a heartache eventually. So I'm really not pro breakup, but if it happens, I'm sure inaral nilang maigi kung bakit sila nag-decide ng ganon. So there, I still hope for the best. And I feel for everybody, lalo na yung napakarami talaga nilang fans.